Today we're going to be learning about converting degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds, as well as degrees, minutes, and seconds to degrees. Something to keep in mind is that a degree is a unit of measurement, and there are 360 degrees in a circle. This measurement can be broken up into even smaller measurements, and examples of these are minutes and seconds. 1 minute is 1/60th of a degree, and 1 second is 1/60th of a minute. And you can see that the minute is indicated with the symbol of an apostrophe, and then the seconds is indicated with the symbol of a quotation mark. And you can see all this together is degrees, minutes, seconds format. So looking at our first example, the first thing we're going to do is keep the whole number the same, and that whole number is 31, which is our degrees. And once again, I forgot to say that we're converting degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. So now we're going to be looking at the decimal places, and we're going to be multiplying that by 60 because if you can recall, it is 1/60th. So 0.375 times 60 equals 22.5. Once again, we're going to keep the whole number the same, which is 22, and that's going to be our minutes. And now we're just going to look at the decimal, which is 0.5. Now when we take that 0.5 and multiply it by 60, we get 30. And in this case, there's no need to round. So now we have 31, 22, and 30. So this gives us our answer of 31 degrees, 22 minutes, and 30 seconds. In this next example, we'll be converting 42.463 degrees to degrees, minutes, and seconds. Once again, we're going to leave the whole number alone, which is 42, which is our degrees, and take the decimal, which is 0.463. We're going to multiply that by 60 to get 27.78. Once again, we're going to leave our whole number alone and just take the decimal. Now when we multiply 0.78 by 60, we get 46.8. 46.8 is supposed to be our seconds, and since seconds is such a small unit, we will not have to multiply again, and we can just use our basic rounding rules. So we can round that to 47. This brings our answer to 42 degrees, 27 minutes, and 47 seconds. In this next example, we're going to be going the opposite direction and converting degrees, minutes, and seconds to degrees. So the first thing we're going to do is take the seconds, which is 30, and divide it by 60, because if you can recall, it's 1/60th. So 30 divided by 60 is 0.5. After that, we're going to tack this onto the unit next to it, which is minutes, so we're going to have 13.5 divided by 60. Once again, when we plug this into a calculator, we get 0.2166667, etc. After this, we can use rounding rules and then tack that onto that 23. And this isn't going to be exact, but it's going to be fairly close since we're rounding. So our answer will be 23.17 degrees. For our last example, we'll be once again converting degrees, minutes, seconds to degrees. So the first step we're going to have is look at the seconds, which is 15, and we're going to be dividing this by 60 to get us 0.25. We're going to tack this on to the number next to it, which is 54, and that will just give us 54.25, and we'll be dividing that by 60 as well. When we do that, we get 0.90416, and there's some other decimals, but we're just going to use our rounding rules, and it will round to 0.904, which will give our answer of 78.904.